Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. We wish you a happy birthday. We wish you a happy birthday. We wish you a happy birthday and a happy birthday. Happy birthday, Pastor. Di ko magsaba, Pastor, nga 75 years old nakakaroon.
Sige na, sige na. Oo ba ni?
Okay.
Talent anak.
Sige, punit na. Knowledge yan na, babe, nga perti sa yuhag yun. Salamat kayo sa Ginoo nga nakaabot
Happy
gihapon
birthday
siya.
daw, Pastor. Anak ni Ivy.
Yehey!
Sa kuan.
Yes!
Kape, kape. Sige, pagtimpla naman sa kape. Sige na.
Pamahaw na gid ni me.
Ano na naman sa kay aron di sa balangan sa
Ako na mahago ra bagyo kog luto sa among apod. So at least naluwas ko ron.
tinood no?
Okay. Sir, unsay imong birthday wish sa imong ultimate daddy sa imong kinabuhi?
Well, I have the name of my daddy is Manuel Martin. Manuel Cabot Martin. I only have acronym for Manuel.
Yes.
M is motivator.
Wow.
A is achiever.
Alaka.
N
Himuan.
is noble.
Wow.
U is I forgot you. Unique.
Unique.
Right. Then E is example. And L is lovable.
Alaka,
So
grabe.
that's all.
Imo ginang gi-search, sir?
No, just came to
Ah.
my mind. Okay, so that's all, and God will continue to bless and experience more blessings from Him.
Yes.
Protections and provisions will always be in our heart and mind kay nag-provide ng Ginoo sa atong mga kinahanglan.
Amen.
Okay, thank you very much,
Okay,
Pastor
thank
J.
you. Thank you,
Reverend
sir.
J.
Thank you kayo, sir, sa imong kinasing-kasing
Okay,
wish.
welcome.
Okay. Nauna ta, sir.
Okay. Okay, ulit. I-forward na lang sa inyo.
Forward na ni, forward. Oh, kaya na lanog-lanog ra ba tong 75 ganina. Okay, so happy birthday, Pastor.